In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can easily manage your workflow and organize your tasks efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your workspace and find the space where you want to create the backlog. Spaces act as containers in ClickUp, helping you categorize and separate different projects or departments. Go ahead and open ClickUp and locate your desired space from the list displayed on the left sidebar. Once you have opened your space, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll look for the plus sign, which is located in various places throughout ClickUp. For adding new items, simply locate the plus sign associated with the area you're working on. In this case, find the option that allows you to add new features to your space setup. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be presented with several options for what you can add or create. Here, we are interested in the templates section. Click on it to access a variety of pre-made templates that ClickUp offers to streamline your setup process. Selecting a template can save you time and ensure you're following best practices for setting up a backlog. Within the templates section, you'll likely see several categories or types of templates. Look for one labeled boxes or something similar, where templates relevant to your activities are located. In the search bar, type in backlog. This is a keyword search, and it helps narrow down your options so you can find exactly what you're looking for without sifting through irrelevant items. Once the search results are displayed, review the available templates that match your search criteria. While several templates might pop up, select the one that best fits your needs. In this case, you're looking for a template explicitly labeled for backlog management. Now you're going to click on Use Template. This action will guide you through the foundational setup of your new backlog. It's essential to pay attention here, making sure that everything aligns with your project requirements. Choose the location for this template within ClickUp. You can often input it directly into your already open space or specify another area of your setup where it fits best. Make sure it's positioned where all stakeholders and team members who need access can find it. Finally, hit Use Template once more to confirm your selections and initiate the template creation. This final click will populate your chosen space with your new backlog structure based on the selected template. You can now tailor this setup further to match your specific workflow needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a backlog in ClickUp, ready to help you manage tasks and prioritize work effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this process was clear and helpful.